everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, we are talking about the Queen Mzansi Magic. According to Hopolo report, Sianda, portrayed by Cindy Mahlangu, has resigned from the production. So guys, we won't be seeing her anymore at the corner house, as we have already seen Akona making her way to the production. I assume she will be taking Sianda's position or replacing him. I don't know guys if I'm alone, but I feel like Cindy was not growing in that character as an actress. Her storyline took an unexpected turn from better to worse. Anyway, we wish her all the best in her acting journey as it continues. Yesterday guys, it was reported that Shaka Khoza, portrayed by Sthembiso, is also leaving the Queen after being fired by MultiChoice following the pending case of assault opened against him by his ex-fiancée Dr. Hlongwane. Guys, his storyline also was not interesting at all like before. If you can remember very well, his character used to be a viewer's favorite. They even signed the petition for him to come back to our screen. But guys, lately Shaka's storyline is not giving anything to the viewers. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Tell me what you think about the Queen's changes on the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye.